My top 5 traffic sources for 2019. Let's go. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, live and direct with another valuable video for you. Now today I wanted to go over my top 5 traffic sources for 2019, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or whatever it is. These top 5 you cannot go wrong with, and I'll explain, a little further on what I'm talking about, guys. So as you can see, my number 1 is YouTube ads. My second one is Facebook retargeting ads. My third is native ads. My fourth is Udemy, and my fifth is Google ads. And I'll tell you, particularly why I chose this order. All right. So if you go to, YouTube, right? I'll go to my page. And I'm sure a lot of you guys know who Tai Lopez is. If you don't know who Tai Lopez is, he is a guy that really took Facebook advertising to another level. YouTube advertising to another level, right? Let me go back right quick. And so if you want to promote your YouTube videos, whether it's to get more sales or more views or whatever it is, you'll just simply click on here. You'll click promote, right? It'll bring you to a page that looks just like this. You'll click get started, right? And the reason why YouTube ads are so powerful, guys, is because either you can have your video play before people watch the video that they're on, and it'll most likely be related to whatever they're trying to watch. So it'll look just like this, okay, to where your video will come up and it'll have the skip ads. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. You see those ads all the time, right? Well, when that happens, not only is someone getting paid, but also your content could literally be shared on a video that probably has, millions of views or hundreds of thousands of views, right? And people see it, then you're most likely to get those clicks, and then you can retarget people to your website. Now, the best thing about these are you can just do so much with them, okay? You can do so much with them. I've seen a lot of guys do, the PDF thing where they say, they'll start their ad off in the first 5 seconds like, hey, they'll grab your attention with something catchy, and then they'll be promoting a product, but they'll say, hey, click this link to get your free PDF, right? What they're doing inside of that PDF, guys, is they're giving you some valuable information for free, right? And then they're loading it with affiliate links, guys. So they'll give you a lot of good information for free, then they'll load it with affiliate links. Another thing that they're doing is they'll have you go to a free webinar, right? Once you go to that free webinar, what they're doing is you get the webinar for free. They'll give you a lot of valuable information. Again, they'll just load tons and tons of valuable information on you. And then after a certain time, then they'll sell you something on that webinar. And it's like subconsciously you feel like, hey, they gave me all this stuff for free. I'm ready to see what they have on the other side. So that's the power of YouTube ads, guys. And not only can you have the ad to where it starts before, you could also go down here to where it says place ad as a thumbnail. And then what this does is it will place it above a video that's related to whatever you're trying to watch. So for instance, if you typed in make money online, right? This video right here would pop up at the top of the very first video that's already on the first page. So this will pop up above that one, and then you can have you make money online, title or whatever it is, and it'll say ad, but most people, if they're curious, if it looks good enough, the thumbnail's catchy, they'll click on it, they'll see what you have to offer, and then you can increase your sales like that, guys. So YouTube advertising is amazing. I mean, Tai Lopez, literally, he said, I think he grew his channel within probably less than a year to like 1 million subscribers from doing YouTube advertising. Now, mind you, he dumped about $40,000 to $50,000 in ads, but he also made a few million off of it. So, that's the kind of stuff that you can do. Like I said, all you would have to do is go here, put in your headline, your description, your location, the audience, that you want, things like that, your budget. And man, you're good to go. and you can definitely make a lot of good sales. I just watch successful people. I do what they do, and I get the same results, guys. So this is the kind of stuff that you can do, and it works. So let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one is Facebook retargeting. Now, Facebook retargeting is really, really cool, and a lot of you probably already realized it without realizing that it's out there. If you ever been on like Amazon, right? Amazon.com or like BestBuy.com or anything like that, right? And then you click on Facebook, and all of a sudden they have ads of Amazon on there, and you're like, what? How did they even have this on there? Like I wasn't. So that's what Facebook retargeting is, right? Or just retargeting ads, right? So basically, it looks like this, guys. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like, okay? So someone will enter your website, right? It says your website is visited, right? Then whatever advertising agency you are with, they'll place a cookie onto someone else's laptop or phone, right? And then when they go to a different website, your ad will start to show on whatever website that they click on, no matter what they're doing. So if they click on Instagram, they might see it. If they click on Best Buy, it might pop up somewhere in there. So that's the power of retargeting, the ads, the Facebook retargeting ads, and you can absolutely kill that, guy. So definitely look into Facebook retargeting ads when you're doing affiliate marketing, CPA, things like that, guys. So we'll move on to number 3. Now, native ads is very, very popular. It's become way more popular over the years. And native ads is kind of not necessarily a retargeting, but it's a niche-based thing. So just to give you guys an example, it'll basically like this, okay? So let's say you were on this blog post right here, right? And in the corner, you see H&R Block, okay? So that's a sponsored ad, guys. I'm actually on the website, but I'm giving you guys an example, so I'm going to zoom in here, right? So this particular article is talking about a woman going to take a quick break after filling out her name and address on her tax form. So it's basically talking about taxes, right? And so they use H&R Block, right? Because it's related to taxes. Usually H&R Block is where you go, you can file your taxes with them as well. So they use H&R Block, right? And they placed the ad, here. They placed one right here at the very top. They also placed one right here, and they also placed one down here, guys. So that's native ads, and then they placed one down here at the bottom, right? It's related to the blog. It's related to the article. People are more prone to click it. Now, some other examples, like if you guys have seen things like this that look like this, just a bunch of random little ads on a website. Those are like native ads, and sometimes it's either related or sometimes it just looks very, very catchy, and those are the kind of things you can promote like on ClickBank. You can use for ClickBank, CPA offers, and things like that, guys. It's amazing and it works great, so definitely look into native advertising. A good website that you guys can go to is the one that I'm on now. This one is a bit expensive, as you guys can see, so if you don't have this kind of money, I wouldn't recommend it for you, but if you do have the kind of money, it's a great. These are some of the top, producing affiliates that use these kind of sites that I've researched. So it's adplexity.com. You can check this one out. Let's see here if I can find another one. Another one is faithtap.com. Faithtap.com. They have a lot of native ads and things like that you guys can check out and things like that. So definitely look into native ads. That's something that a lot of affiliates are killing, with different, products that they have and services. So another one is Udemy, guys. So if you don't know what Udemy is where you can go and find solo ads, right? It's the best solo ad platform that's out there, period. It's the most trusted. I don't trust any other, solo ad company besides this one and the Facebook solo ad group. Other than that, I don't really trust any other solo ads, guys. But things to look for on here, guys, is the price range and also their ratings. But there's only one guy on here that I recommend that's absolute beast, right? He's a beast. I don't get any commission off of anything that he does or anything, but this guy, Angelo Sason, guys. If you go down here, check his stats. You know, his offer, it says converts well with biz op opportunities, instant messages, MLM, CPA, and binary offers. This guy has, he said, you know, he made about 7K to 8K per month. He's a beast, and he has a list of around 300,000 guys. A list of around 300,000. If I can find it, here it is. What is your list size? He has around 359K active subscribers. He's doing about 28,000 fresh leads per month on his list. And then he also has, some of his ratings. You know, some people say they got sales. You know, some people no sales. Some people haven't, they rated them, but they didn't actually put, if they got sales or not. This guy said he got sales. One sale, 42 subscribers. So I guess it just depends on the amount of, the amount of money you put in or work or whatever it is, or the offer. And I usually tell you guys, if you're going to run CPA ads, split test everything, guys. Or if you're going to do affiliate marketing. And what I mean by split testing is try sending traffic with a landing page first, and then try sending traffic without a landing page. See which one converts better. Or if one doesn't convert that good, then change the title or the header and things like that. That's split testing, when you have to do that kind of stuff. And it does take a little money, guys, but it's definitely worth it, as far as, getting profit, because once you start to get profit, you can then scale it, right? So that is Udemy traffic, guys. This is a guy I definitely recommend. There's other people on here that you can try, but this is a guy that I've actually, heard a lot of people talk about. I haven't personally tried him, just to be completely honest, but I've heard like 6 or 7 different people who's making really good money have tried him and made money. So I would say I recommend this guy because I trust those people, that's been in the industry for a while. So definitely look into this guy. And then the last thing is the Google ads, guys. Now, I'm not really going to I don't have to really go too much into that, guys. But like I said, if you go to Google here, it's just obvious, guys, right? Now, Google can be very expensive when it comes to this. So like I said, some of this stuff, guys, I told you this year is all about investments, guys. So just be prepared to make investments to get to where you want, guys. Paid traffic is always the best. Free traffic can get you only so far, but paid traffic is always the best, guys. So if you want to, start making good money, guys, definitely look into SEO, with Google, because if you learn how to rank on Google, sky's the limit. You can rank anything and get millions and millions of traffic, like that. So let me see if I can just give you guys an example. Let's see if new car. I'm just trying to see if I can find one that actually has ads on it. And I think you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Let me see. Paid traffic. Just trying to find one that has the ads at the top. Okay, so something like this, guys. So if you ran a Google ad, as you know, it says ad at the top, right? So there's a lot of things that you can do with this, right? And most people psychologically, when they click on this, a lot of people don't know anything about, the Google advertising and things like that, because they're not in this niche. They're not in this industry. So if your ad is right here at the top, most people are like, oh, okay, they'll see what they were looking for, whatever, keyword they were looking for, and they'll just click whatever's at the top, not knowing it's an ad, guys, and you'll start getting a bunch of traffic, right? You see all of these different ads, 1 ad, 2 ad, 3 ad, 4 ad, about 4 or 5 ads before they even get to the very first link, guys. So these are the people that's getting all the traffic, the people that's running the ads, right? So I usually tell people, guys, save up a budget. Put some money aside after you get your checks, even if it's $10, $15. Let it stack up. Kind of weigh your options out on which traffic source you want to go with. And then dump your money into it, guys, and test it. Like I said, I wouldn't put huge amounts in. I would put, smaller amounts in to test it. And once something works, guys, then you dump all of your money into it and scale it as big as possible. That way you guys can make money, guys. So, hopefully this video helped you guys in any kind of way. These are some of the traffic sources that I'm going to actually be doing this year. I'm going to be doing YouTube ads this year because I've seen people making a killing with it. Definitely going to do some Udemy traffic, some Facebook retargeting, and all that other stuff, guys. But hopefully this piqued your interest. If this helped you, give me a like button, share the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Comment below some other videos you want to see. This was a subscriber request. Other than that, guys, I'm excited to make this money with you guys this year. And peace out.